Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find transaction history on Dex-Trade. To find your transaction history on the Dex-Trade app, first of all, launch open the Dex-Trade application and log into your account. Once you are logged in from the main home page, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Inside the menu button, look for a transaction history option and tap on it. Here you will be able to see your past transactions such as deposits, withdrawals, and trades. If you don't see any data, that means you have not made any transaction with your account. That is how you find your transaction history on Dex-Trade. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss on another update from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.